Hi, welcome everyone. We are back again, and today is another video on how to series. How to deal with a difficult boss. A lot of people told me to do a video on this. They would need tips how to deal with a difficult boss. They are working in different organizations and they keep changing jobs. Why? Because they cannot change boss, then they change a job. They go back and upload their resume on Naukri.com. Why? Because they cannot deal with their difficult boss. Sometimes bosses are insecure, they're tough, they're difficult. I'll tell you how to deal with a difficult boss. Are you ready for that? So the first secret right here is connect, convey and convince. Yes, connect, convey and convince. If you learn to connect with your boss, आप थोड़ा convey करिए, boss is so much convinced. And there are people who are disconnected with the boss. इतना convey करते हैं, boss इतना नहीं मानता है. I'll repeat that again. If you learn to connect with your boss, you a little bit convey and he's so much convinced. If you're disconnected, no matter how much you continue convey and convince, he's not at all convinced. Actually, bosses खराब नहीं होते हैं. बस क्या है, कई बार हम लोग connect नहीं कर पाते. But here, कई लोग सोच रहे हैं कनेक्ट करने का मतलब क्या है, मक्खन लगाना. अरे नहीं बॉस, मक्खन लगाया तो सरवाइव कर जाएंगे, ग्रो नहीं कर पाएंगे. कम ऑन, सरवाइव कर जाएंगे, ग्रो नहीं कर पाएंगे. कनेक्ट करना इज डिफरेंट थिंग. इट्स एब्सोल्युटली अ डिफरेंट थिंग. बट लॉट ऑफ पीपल मस्ट बी थिंकिंग, आई एम ट्राइंग टू कनेक्ट विद माय बॉस, बट इट्स डिफिकल्ट टू कनेक्ट विद दिस बॉस. ना मेरे बॉस से कनेक्ट करना मुश्किल है. आई हर्ड अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल टॉकिंग दैट मैन्युफैक्चरिंग सेक्टर में वी वर डूइंग वर्कशॉप, दे वर टेलिंग मेरे बॉस से कनेक्ट आप करके दिखाइए सर. थ्योरेटिकल प्रोग्राम नहीं चाहिए, प्रैक्टिकल चाहिए. वुड यू वांट टू नो हाउ टू कनेक्ट? Would you really like to know how to connect? Because convey, convince, the moment you're connected, convey, convince will not take time. People are disconnected and वो आते हैं बॉस को अपना आइडिया कन्विंस करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, बॉस थोड़ा भी कन्विंस नहीं हो रहा. What to do to connect? That's the second point here. What to do to connect? The second point to connect is needs, interest, concern. Needs, interest, concern. बॉस को अपना need, interest, concern प्यार से बता दो. Yes, no? No. बॉस का नीड इंटरेस्ट कंसर्न समझ लो. बॉस को जैसे ही अपना नीड इंटरेस्ट कंसर्न बताएंगे, डिस्कनेक्टेड हो जाएंगे, इमीडिएटली डिस्कनेक्ट हो जाएंगे. एंड दिस इज व्हाट इज हैपनिंग विद लॉट ऑफ पीपल दैट आई मीट इन लॉट ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस वेयर आई एम डूइंग दीस मोटिवेशनल एंड कॉर्पोरेट ट्रेनिंग वर्कशॉप्स. एंड वी लुक एट देम, दे आर ट्राइंग टू कन्वे देयर नीड इंटरेस्ट कंसर्न. बॉस अपना एनआईसी बता रहा है, एम्प्लॉई अपना एनआईसी बता रहा है, दोनों डिस्कनेक्टेड है. हस्बैंड अपना बता रहा है, वाइफ अपना बता रहा है, सेल्समैन अपना बता रहा है, क्लाइंट अपना बता रहा है, सब डिस्कनेक्टेड है. अंडरस्टैंड हिज नीड इंटरेस्ट कंसर्न. आई टेल यू, बॉसेस आर नॉट डिफिकल्ट पीपल. इट्स जस्ट दैट दे हैव डिफरेंट नीड इंटरेस्ट कंसर्न. यू हैव अ डिफरेंट नीड इंटरेस्ट कंसर्न. यू हैव टू एक्चुअली वॉक इनटू हिज शूज, पुट योरसेल्फ इनटू हिज शूज. लेकिन उसके जूते में पांव डालने के लिए अपना जूता पहले उतारना. यू आर नॉट टेकिंग ऑफ योर शूज फर्स्ट. Take off your shoes and understand his need, interest, concern. बॉस चाहते क्या है, उनकी नीड क्या है, उनका इंटरेस्ट क्या है, उनका कंसर्न, उनके चैलेंजेस क्या है. अंडरस्टैंड हिज चैलेंजेस एंड टू द डिग्री यू विल अंडरस्टैंड हिज चैलेंजेस, टू दैट डिग्री इज ऑटोमेटिकली कनेक्टेड टू यू. और एक बार कनेक्ट हो गए, थोड़ा कन्वे करो, इतना कन्विंस, फिर बॉस आपकी मान. यू नो व्हाट, जितने बॉसेस हैं ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में, आई टेल यू अ सीक्रेट, ये बॉसेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को अपने हिसाब से नहीं चला रहे हैं. सारे बॉसेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को अपने हिसाब से नहीं चलाते हैं. सारे बॉसेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को चलाते हैं किसी एक, दो या तीन उन एम्प्लॉइज के हिसाब से जिनसे वो कनेक्टेड है. Whatever feedback they will give, the bosses are going to follow all that. Bosses don't use normally. I've seen that mostly they don't use their independent brain alone. They are actually taking all their decisions influenced by those subordinates who are actually nicely connected. If you learn to connect with him by understanding his needs, his interests, his concern, everything is easy. ये जो कन्वे कन्विंस, कन्वे कन्विंस, कन्वे कन्विंस, कन्वे कन्विंस, ये तो जान लगानी पर बंद हो जाएगा. जैसे ही कनेक्ट हुए बॉस के साथ में, बॉस इज ऑलरेडी कन्विंस्ड. सो दिस इज व्हाट, कॉशन, सावधान, मक्खन नहीं लगाना है कन्विंस करने के लिए. आपको क्या करना है, उनका नीड, इंटरेस्ट, कंसर्न समझना है. अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आर द टॉप 3 प्रायोरिटीज ऑफ योर बॉस. अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आर हिज टॉप 3 गोल्स in this year. Help him achieve those goals. I'll tell you something. You see, your boss also wants to grow. Is it not? Your boss also wants to grow. If you help him grow, you will grow. You know, he will take responsibility of your growth immediately and you'll be promoted so far, out of turn promotions. Uske liye, who's actually helping the boss grow. Help your boss grow by understanding his needs, interest and concern. A lot of people are not able to understand bosses need interest. वो जाके अपनी कहानी सुना, सर मैं ऐसा सोच रहा हूँ, सर मैं ऐसा चाहता हूँ, सर मेरा आइडिया ऐसा है, सर मैं नई जनरेशन का हूँ, सर मेरी जनरेशन. नो 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 नो. अंडरस्टैंड हिज नीड, इंटरेस्ट, कंसर्न. वंस यू आर कनेक्टेड, वो आपकी सारी बात मानेंगे. अभी मत मनवाओ उनसे. Seek to understand first, then to be understood. Seek to understand first. Seek to understand first. Seek to understand first. Right now, understand his need, interest, concern. Don't speak your need, interest, concern. You'll be disconnected. That's the second point. I'll come to the third point now. And the third point is, even if you see your bosses are terrorist kind in nature, Let us take another example. Let's say your boss is a terrorist and a very horrifying and an insecure kind of boss. You know what's the problem with these insecure people? You know, I'm sure dealing with insecure people is difficult. Yes, no? Come on, my question to you. No, you. My question to you is, dealing with insecure people, is it difficult? Yes, no? No, it's very easy. You know what? Insecure people are looking for something. Tell me, what are they looking for? Insecure people are looking for security. Give that security to them, they'll give their life to you. आपने जान दे देंगे आपके लिए अगर आपने उनको secure कर दिया. So these insecure people, don't try to fix their insecurity, just give them security. So what's the third principle? Listen, acknowledge, clarify, explain. Listen, acknowledge, clarify, explain. That's the third point. If you listen to your boss and you start clarifying, explaining without acknowledging, it will be damaging. So acknowledgement is most important here in LACE. LACE. Acknowledgement is most important. If you learn to acknowledge his concerns, जानते हैं क्या होगा? उसके body का temperature नीचे आ जाए. Whenever he says, अरे आप मेरी बात नहीं समझ रहे हैं, आपको, oh, okay. Please agree to him. Agree to him for some time. When you agree with him, then your clarification and explanation will become easy. But the challenge is, you're trying to clarify and explain, but you're not acknowledging before that. Acknowledgement will be the foundation. अगर foundation ठीक हुआ तभी ठीक होगा. Roots ठीक होंगे तो fruits ठीक होंगे. आप fruits के चक्कर में हैं, clarification, explanation. Roots नहीं ठीक कर रहे हैं, that is acknowledging. Acknowledge his difference of opinion. Acknowledge his ideas. Wait for some time. Wait, listen him out. पूरा सुनिए उनको. Don't listen to respond. Listen to understand. People try to listen to respond. They don't listen to understand. Don't listen to respond. Listen to understand. समझने के लिए सुनिए, जवाब देने के लिए नहीं सुनिए. You know, people who are actually listening to respond, they're trying to prepare 2-3 paragraphs in their mind. अच्छा, ऐसा, अब मेरी सुन. You know, this is what people are doing. Don't try doing that with your boss. No people, nobody will love that. So what is the rule? The ground rule is, acknowledge his difference of opinion. When you learn, this is an art. This is an art of beautiful listening skill. It's a beautiful listening skill. Once you learn this art of acknowledging and agreeing his different opinion, what will happen? Whenever you say, oh, okay, sir, हाँ गलती तो मुझसे हुआ. He said, हमेशा तू गलती करता है. Oh, okay, sir, yes, sir, I agree with you. मुझसे गलती हो गया है. And when you acknowledge that, उसका temperature नीचे आ जाएगा. But whenever you start clarifying, explaining without acknowledging, he'll get very angry and agitated. You'll in fact agitate him more. You'll give him more reasons to go against you. Why? Because you're trying to convey convincing. So one of the ways is to acknowledge his every need, interest and concern. Acknowledge his every need, interest and concern. These were the 3 steps. And the 4th step is very simple. Give your 110%. Give your 110%. A lot of employees are giving actually 100%. And that 110%, that little 10% extra will impress him, will double press him, will influence him, will inspire him, will make him, you'll be noticed. You'll be noticed. You'll be noticed in the crowd. See, look at the entire crowd, but you'll be noticed because of that extra 10%. When they are understanding the need, interest, concern of the boss and they're giving 10% extra, that is a real acknowledgement. So that's one way you can go a little extra mile. The 5th way to deal with a difficult boss is by developing a loving relationship with him. How would you do that? What to do with the most difficult boss? What to do with the most difficult boss, a dangerous and a terrorist boss? How do you deal with him? What to do? And that's the 5th step. The 5th step is kill your boss. 5th step is kill your boss with the power of love. You need power only to create a harm. Otherwise, for everything else, love is enough. So one of the ways to deal with a very terrorist, a most terrorist boss is just simply kill him with the power of your love. Offer loving services to your boss in a very loving format. When you do that, with your heart given, with your heart coming out of it, and you know this heart, when your feelings, the heart, when your feelings are improved, your dealing will automatically improve. When the intent, when your intent is good, the content will automatically be good. So improve the feeling, improve the credibility, your profitability will improve. People are trying to improve profitability, they're not improving credibility. Love, create a love in your services. When you lovingly serve, he's a person, man. He's a person, he's not a position, he's a person. He's also looking for some security in relationships. He's also looking for a right man around him. And you lovingly offer that, you'll be distinct. And if you don't distinct, you will extinct. That's the 5th point. And I'll now come to the 6th point. And the 6th point to deal with a difficult boss is, while you're offering your services, never equate your potential with your salary. Never equate your current potential with your salary. Never equate your current potential with your salary. Your salary may be X, but your potential may be 100X. Because you're equating yourself with your salary right now, therefore you're not performing well. लोग कहते हैं रघुपति राघव राजा राम, जितनी तनख्वाह उतना काम. I've seen a lot of people saying 2 बार पंच 1 बार लंच, लाइफ है टंच. ये कहते हैं बिंद्रा जी आपका कहना तो सही है पर मैंने रहना वही है. These are those people who don't want to explore their existing potential. आप चेक करिए. Go out and check. The corporate India, go out and check, and you ask your employees and you ask them a question: have you really explored your entire potential in the organization? क्या organization आपके potential का इस्तेमाल कर पा रही है? And I've seen 100 out of 100 people saying मैं अपनी असली potential का इस्तेमाल नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ. You know what? You have to do that. Nobody else will come. कोई सर पे आपके हाथ नहीं फेर देगा. No avatar is going to come. कृष्णा ने भी अवतार नहीं लिया. व्यासदेव कहते हैं कृष्णा अर्जुन के साथ थे. अर्जुन को युद्ध फिर भी खुद ही लड़ना पड़ा. ऐसा नहीं हुआ कि कृष्ण ने उनके लिए युद्ध लड़ लिया हो. So my message for you is explore your existing potential. Do not equate your potential with a salary of 50,000 rupees. साहब आपका potential 50 crores का है. आपकी salary 50,000 की. You can go beyond that. Do not stop yourself. No. Come on, get out of it. Therefore Krishna says law of increasing return. ये यथा माम प्रपद्यन्ते ताम सतैव भजाम्यहम्. When you give more than what you get, soon you will get more than what you gave. When you give more than what you get, soon you get more than what you gave. This is law of increasing return. So the 6th point is never equate your current salary with your existing potential. Your potential may be far beyond, much more than what your existing salary is. Do not equate your potential with your salary. When your boss sees you going beyond your existing KRAs, when he sees you going beyond your existing job description, that's where he sees you, my God, this man has potential. He will recognize that because he wants to grow. He wants to grow. He needs, अकबर भी विदेश से आए थे हिंदुस्तान के अंदर. नवरत्नों की मदद से पूरे देश को कंट्रोल किया. हर बॉस को नवरत्न चाहिए. You be part of that नवरत्न. मक्खन नहीं लगाना है. उनकी आवश्यकता को समझना है. नीड इंटरेस्ट कंसर्न समझना है. वो समझते हैं और ये आपने 6 पॉइंट प्रैक्टिस किए ना, you'll be the favorite man of your boss. You'll be the man of inner circle. You'll reach at the CXO position very fast. So seek to understand your boss first. Seek to understand your boss first. Seek to understand your boss first. Very simple 6 points. Follow them and you'll be the great person. Thank you very much. Keep watching for more videos. Join for our public programs. Subscribe for our channel for getting regular motivational videos. Thank you very much.